Okay, we're looking at a 2010 41-foot Fuzion Touring Edition 2. This has the special hitch on the front for your ride suspension. There's 675 hours on the 5500 Onan generator. The batteries and the power levelers front and back. There's your motor there and your two batteries, which are brand new. You have a Igloo premium ice maker. You have a TV outside, a Dirt Devil on the inside, a brand new power awning, model number FZ405 Tour Edition. You have the stereo outside. Tires are new. Beautiful rims. This has air in it. This is to pump your air, that right there. And then you also have power. This is a powered tailgate. This whole tailgate comes down by itself. The stickers are perfect. The gel coat is perfect. Everything is beautiful on this coach. Very, very nice. It has the storm windows, heat in the floors, 3 air conditionings, 4 televisions. What else? I'm sure there's some stuff I forget. 50 amp, outside shower. One hell of an RV.